Hello everyone. Even today we are going to solve a problem on departmental accounting itself. So the question is, from the following balances prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account of Shravan traders for the year ended 31st March 2015. Okay, in question, opening stock, purchase, sales and wages have given departmental wise. The respective amounts they have mentioned separately. See, other expenditures like rent, salaries and other expenses they have given in lump sum value. So on certain apportionment basis we are going to bifurcate it. Okay, so the additional information is, see, goods were transferred at a cost by departmental A to departmental B, which means for departmental A it is a sales, for for B it is a kind of purchase. Here A have transferred worth of 2400 goods to B, and second point, in first point it is a point B. Okay, by department B to department A. For B it is a sales and for A it is a kind of purchase. Okay, so it is the interdepartmental transfer of goods. Another point they have mentioned, service rendered by B department to A department included in wages, which means wages which they have mentioned here, it includes a certain kind of service. So we have to add for one department and deduct it from another department. So we are going to add it to, for department A we are going to deduct it by departmental B. Okay, here service rendered by department B. Okay, here that's why we are going to deduct it. Third point, stock at close, nothing but closing stock. Closing stock of departmental A 18,000 and for B 24,000. Apportionment of rent in the ratio of 3:2. Next, salaries equally means 1:1. Other expenses on basis of turnover, excluding transfer between departmental A and B. So here we are going to, other expenses are on the basis of turnover in the sense sales ratio. They have not mentioned sales ratio, so we are going to calculate it now. Sales ratio for department A and B. Okay, for department A 1,93,200, for B 2,89,800. So 2 zeros get cancelled. If you use 2 ones, we are going to get the reduced value as 2 9s 6 996 is to 49. Yes, if you reduce by using 3 ones, we are going to get 332 is to 483. So this is the ratio we are going to get. We can't reduce this value. This is the even number, this is an odd number, so we can't reduce again. This will be the final one. If you add these two numbers, denominator will be 805. Okay, so we are going to apportion these 8,000 in the ratio of sales. Okay, the new concept which we have seen today is service rendered by department A and department B included in wages. For department B we are going to deduct it, and for department A we are going to add back it. So same concept, interdepartmental transfer we have already discussed, and other things remain same. So let's move on to the solution. Yes, first one we are going to start with opening stock as usual. To opening stock, how much value they have mentioned in the question? Kindly make note of the question, students, or else you won't understand the problem. So they have clearly mentioned the amount, so we can write it directly. Next, purchases. To purchases they have given for departmental A 1,45,000 and B 2,34,000. If we add both, we are going to get 3,79,000. And for next they have given sales will be sales will be in the credit side, isn't it? So by sales for department A 1,93,200 and for B 2,89,800. If you add both, we are going to get 4,83,000. Next, wages. To wages they have given direct amounts, so 6,000, next 8,000. If we add both, we are going to get 14,000. Next thing, before going to P&L account, we are going to check whether we have interdepartmental transfer or not. Yes, in this question they have mentioned interdepartmental transfer, isn't it? So first point, by department A to B. So both the sides we are going to write it as by department transfer. Here also to department transfer we are going to mention it. Yes, for first one, by department A to department B 2,400. A to B in the sense, for A we are going to consider as sales. Okay, so we are going to write it in credit side for A department credit side and B department debit side 2,400. Next, by department B to department A, which means for department B we are going to consider as sales, so 2,000, and here for department A debit side. If you add both, we are going to get 4,400 as your total. $4,400. Next, okay, we have another. Okay, I missed it. Wages they have given adjustment, right? So we are going to change the values here. Okay. Yes, what they have given in the question? In question they have mentioned service rendered by department A to B included in the wages. Okay, so for department A we are going to add it. Okay, so 6,000 plus 800. I'll write it in the working note. I'll write it here itself. Okay, listen. Okay, service rendered by department B to A. Okay, so B to A in the sense, for 8,000 we are going to deduct 800 and we are going to reflect the amount as 7,200. For 6,000 we are going to add back it, so 6,000 plus 800, 6,800. This is the answer. Total amount remains same. Okay, so wages 6,800, 7,200, total 14,000. Any other adjustments? Okay, so finally we are going to show by closing stock. How much closing stock they have given in the question? 18 and 24,000, total 42,000. So add both the side. You have to add credit side as well as debit side. Which side total is higher, that is considered as both the sides values. Okay, so as usual, credit side value is more. How much we are going to get? 2,13,600. Use calculator. Yes, 3,15,800. Total will be 5,29,400. Okay, same values: 2,13,600, 3,15,800, and 5,29,400. So balancing figure will be considered as gross profit. How much gross profit we are going to get? Minus these all expenditures with the total. Okay, we are going to get 37,800 and 52,400. Total will be 90,200. Gross profit carried down. So here we are going to brought down the gross profit by gross profit brought down same value: 37,800, 52,400, total 90,200. Okay, here other expenditures what they have given in the question, we are going to reflect it in P&L account. Okay, to rent they have mentioned we are going to apportion in the basis of 3:2. Total rent they have given us 12,000. 12,000 into 3 by 5, we are going to get 7,200, and 12,000 into 2 by 5, 4,800. Next, salaries. To salary apportion in the basis of 1:1. So total salaries 42,000. Value we are going to apportion in the base 1:1 instance 21,000. Next, last one, other expenses. How much other expenses they have given in the question? Look at the questions, guys. Yes, other expenses total is 8,000. In the ratio I have already calculated in the question. See, the ratio they have given. So 8,000 to other expenses, 8,000 into 332 divided by 805. If you calculate, you are going to get 3,200 for A, and for B you are going to get 4,800. So I am going to write the answer directly. So 3,200 and 4,800 for B. Any other adjustment? Okay, we have taken all the additional informations. We have not missed any of the adjustment. Okay, so if we add both sides, credit side total is highest. Okay, so write it down. Total 37,800, 52,400, 90,200 as your total. 37,800, 52,400, 90,200. If you minus these expenditures, you are going to get 2 net profit. Net profit of Departmental A 6,400, 21,800. Total will be 47,000. Wait. I think this is 16,400, guys. Yes. Use calculator. Yes, total 37,800 minus 21,000 minus 7,200 minus 3,200. 6,000 only. Okay. 90,200 minus 12,000 minus 50,000. Yes, total amount we have added, no? That, yes. So total will be 28,200. Okay, this is the answer. So here we have missed it. Okay, now this is the answer. So this is how we are going to calculate departmental trading and profit and loss account. Hope you all understood the problem. If you have any doubts, kindly comment in the comment section.